Every small business owner and professional must have a Facebook business page. Now I will show you how to create a Facebook business page from scratch. Let us go to our video. Before that, subscribe and click the like button. Let us go to our video. First, you have to sign in personal Facebook account. If you don't have, create one. I already have a Facebook account. Let's sign in the show you step by step. Go to the right side on the top drop down menu, click page, then in the left side, this is where we create our business page. We have to fill this information where we can create our business page. We have to fill this information. Let's start to fill this information. Our page with affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing, marketing. In the category, let's write category websites. In the description, let's write affiliate marketing, selling, selling digital products all over the world. This is our description. Click create. We just created. We just created Facebook business page. Now we will add profile image and the cover image. To create profile and the cover image, let's show you with Canva. It is free. Go to Google canva.com. Click create Facebook profile picture. Facebook. The size is 2048 by 2048 pixel. Let's change the background color. Let's use attractive color, yellow, and this color is very attractive. Okay, let's search on the elements icon for our page. Affiliate marketing, marketing. Let's use this. Let's change background color. Okay, this one is good. come to here, download, now download PNG. Save this profile picture. Go to Facebook page, upload our profile picture. Click here to upload our profile picture. Select our profile picture from our computer. Next, we will design our cover image for our page. Let's go to our canva.com, go to home. Let's design our Canva Facebook business page profile. Facebook cover. Click here. Okay, let's design. Let's select this pre-designed ready-made template. Let's write here affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Let's change this picture. Upload with our profile picture. Okay, we finished. Let's download our cover image. Download. Save. Okay, you see our cover image. Let us upload our cover image. Add cover photo. Let's wait a little. Okay, you see how it is attractive. The next step, optimizing our Facebook pages and editing, changing settings. Let's change settings. Go to the left side, scroll and click the setting. And click page unfinished. Unfinished yet next. Your page now unfinished. Click this setting. Click save. Next. Next. Unpublish. Close. Back to our page by clicking your business name. Add button. This is a call to action button. Click to add. Click here to add like for this video. Then page publish. Now under page for successful, we completed 6 steps out of 30. We finished. We need to finish 3 steps. This is establish your page identity, provide info and the preference, and introduce your page. Establish page identity. If you click here, we can present 5 steps. 5 steps we already finished. Under provide, and the preference sections, we have to complete it. 5 steps. Add your website. If you have website, add this in these sections. Add your location and add business hour and add your phone number. This is if you have WhatsApp link, you can add WhatsApp link to communicate with your customers directly. If you have completed this section, introduce your page. These options invite your friends. This is our menu. You can edit as you like. Let's show you. Click, scroll down, and edit tab. In this, you can rearrange what you like. Let's show you about page. Let's arrange about section under home. You can change as you like. Now you can create any post to your audience. Let's show you to post. Okay, let's select our post. We posted for our audience. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. Thank you.